Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on XLM. The price of XLM is still trying to break out this very strong resistance zone from 45 cents to 51 cents. It had been previously breaking a support zone here, and now after the breakdown since after 9th of December 2024, for the past several weeks, you can see that it is breaking at a very strong resistance. We got a few rejections here and two more rejections here. Right now, the price line is rejected by the top of this resistance that is at 51 cents. And now we are testing the bottom of this resistance. At the same time, we are also having a very nice support of this exponential moving average 21 that was recently breaking as a resistance here for several days or weeks. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. We had a bounce from this support here, and now we are again testing the support. And at the same time, the price end has also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku Cloud that was previously breaking as a resistance for a few days after the breakdown. Now again, it is flipped into a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and a very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive and huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you this quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that is a very huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that's stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for AWA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 4th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to show you the long-term trade setup for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal pattern, a bullish Gartley move that XLM has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And finally here in the month of November 2024, it pumped very well and read the sell target zone here. This was a quite long-term trade signal because it was formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we have broken out this channel. By the way, since after 23rd of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, imminently, we also broke out this very strong resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And now it is flipped into a support. And we have also broken out this very strong resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 as well. You can see that since after 9th of December up till here, up till 1st of January 2024, it has been breaking out the resistance. And now this EMA 21 and Ichimoku bullish cloud are flipped into a support. And now XLM is trying to break out this long-term very strong resistance zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 51 cents. Now we are once again rejected by the top of the resistance zone and testing the bottom. In case of breaking out this resistance zone soon, it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very huge falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that we are almost about to hit that target. Now, let me just show you this move. This is a very massive ascending triangle. By the way, this resistance is slightly moving to the downside, not completely horizontal. And since after July 2017, it is moving inside. this triangle, you can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, and now recently the price is once again rejected. If this time it will test the support of the triangle, then it can test somewhere here, possibly at 10 cents. But in case of breaking out, it can start a very massive and long-term rally. This is a quite long-term setup because it is formed on the monthly time frame chart, this triangle. Therefore, this can be a quite long-term move. And the technical target for the breakout, a quite long-term target, will be, as per this measurement, approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.